And there's Frida,
Cheers.
getting drunk as usual, in her favorite hat, in the sun, having fun.
What do you mean getting drunk as usual?
Well, as often as she can.
Oh,
Every other day.
thanks.
Okay. It's not April, is it? So
You
it
know
can't.
this is going on
Okay.
YouTube, right?
Well, that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. They can believe whatever they want. Then they're having fun. That's hard to do.
We have our lawn chairs out. We're sitting in the sun, having some mixed nuts and a little adult beverage. We've got our awning drying out. It got some rain in it. We're going to have a nice barbecued hamburger for supper with some nice fried mushrooms and onions. I even hauled my sun hat out. My favorite sun hat.